In the beginning, before time began, God made everything, the earth and the universe, and everything was empty and dark, and water covered the earth. But God's Spirit was moving over the water. On day one, God said, "Let there be light," and it happened. And God said, "The light will be called day, the dark will be called night." And God said, "This is good." And evening passed, and morning came. On day two, God said, "Let there be a space between the water above the earth and the water that covers the earth." And it happened. And God said, "The space will be called sky." And God said, "This is good." And evening passed, and morning came. On day three, God said, "Let the water gather together over here. This is the sea. And let dry ground appear. This is the land." And it happened. And God said, "Let the land be covered with trees and plants with their fruits and their seeds." And God said, "This is good." And evening passed, and morning came. On day four, God said, "Let there be lights in the sky to mark out days and seasons and years." And it happened. God said, "The sun will shine in the day, and the moon and the stars will shine at night." And God said, "This is good." On day five, God said, "Let the sea be filled with fish and living creatures, and let the sky be filled with birds." And it happened. And God said, "This is good." And evening passed, and morning came. On day six, God said, "Let the earth be filled with animals of every kind, wild animals, tame animals, big animals, small animals, animals that scurry along the ground." And it happened. And then God said, "Now we will make people. They will be like us. We will put them in charge of the earth and all the creatures." So God made people, a man and a woman. He said, "I'm putting you in charge of the earth and all the creatures." And God looked at everything that he had made, and he said, "This is very good." And evening passed, and morning came. So God completed his work of creation. On day seven, God did no work.